The first lesson in Microsoft PowerPoint begins with creating a new document. A new document can include pre-designed templates. In this case, we will choose the design proposal called Geometric Color Block. By clicking on Create, a new document is created. The created design templates will be adapted to the theme of our presentation. In this case, we first change the title. It is necessary to copy the text Ultimate Fighting Championship from a prepared document using the Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V options. The initial appearance of the copied text is visible on the screen. In the lower right, you can see the options available for pasting. We select the fourth option, where the inserted text will retain the formatting set on the title slide. The formatted text appearance is visible on the screen. This completes the formatting of the title slide. We move on to the second slide. On this slide, we will replace the content with our desired text. First, select the top text box and replace the word Agenda with Table of Contents. The new words will be entered manually. The result is visible on the screen. The second text box is selected. The appropriate text is copied into the second text box with the option to retain the formatting set by the design template. The result is visible on the screen. We proceed to the third slide, where we will change the photo and text. The existing image is changed by selecting it and right-clicking. The appropriate image is found and inserted using the Import option. The inserted image is visible on the screen. It is noticeable that it is not fully adapted to the previous frame. By selecting the image, the picture format option opens. Using the crop and fill options, we further adjust the image. The result of this option is visible on the screen, but the image still needs to be repositioned. Repositioning is done by moving the image to the desired side and pressing Enter. The result is visible on the screen. Artistic effects can be used to give the image a different look. In this example, the crisscross etching option is selected. The result is visible on the screen. To complete the title slide for the introduction section, the existing text needs to be replaced by entering the mention title. The appearance is visible on the screen. This completes the title slide, and it is necessary to insert the text related to this chapter. Since slide 4 from the original design is not suitable, we will delete it by right-clicking to open the window and selecting the Delete Slide option. The design solution for the fourth slide is now appropriate, as can be seen on the screen. We change the title and text using Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V, keeping the settings defined by the design. Current slide 5 will be deleted, and for the next chapter, current slide 6 will be used. In this slide, the texts are changed using Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V, while keeping the formatting defined in the template. As seen on the slide, one text box is redundant. We will delete it. It needs to be selected first and then press the Delete key. In the resulting empty space, we will add an image. To insert, click on the Pictures option, select the image and click Import. The result is visible on the screen. We proceed to slide 6. In this slide, the predefined text is replaced with new text using Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V, keeping the styles defined in the design. The text in the second box is deleted using the Delete key, and as in the previous slide, Image 2 is inserted. The image on the right side will be replaced with Image 3. Click Insert. The final look of this slide is visible on the screen. We proceed to slide 7. On this slide as well, text is inserted using the Copy/Paste options, retaining the styles defined in the design. The image on the right side is replaced with Image 4. Click Insert. The final look of slide 7 is visible on the monitor. In slide 8, Texts are changed using the copy/paste options, retaining the styles defined in the design. The table on the right side is redundant. We will delete it and insert image 5. Deletion is done by selecting the table and pressing the delete key. After that, we proceed to insert the image. Click Insert. The final look of slide 8 is visible on the screen. We move on to slide 9. Texts are inserted using the copy/paste options, retaining the styles defined in the design. The right text box is unnecessary. We delete it using the delete key and insert an image in its place. Click Insert. The result is visible on screen. Since the image is not aligned with the text, we need to select both the image and the text. After that, go to the Shape Format, Align Top option. The result is visible on the screen. Since there is an empty space at the bottom of the slide, we will fill it by inserting image 7. This time we use the Insert/Pictures option. Click Pictures. Click Insert. The result is visible on the screen. It is noticeable that the image is too large and needs to be formatted. First, move it to the bottom. Since the image is too large, we will format it further. A new window opens by right-clicking, then go to the Crop option. The result is visible on the screen. Move the bottom boundary of the image downwards. Adjust the image internally by moving it. Pressing the Enter key gives the appearance of slide 9. All that remains is to insert text into slide 10. Again, copy the text while retaining the formatted styles defined by the design. Since there is a table we do not need, we delete it using the Delete option. Delete Table. Now in the new box we insert the remaining text. The empty space at the bottom of the slide will be filled by inserting image 8. Select Image. Move image 8 to the bottom of the slide. Use the Crop option to format the position and size of the image. Adjust the size by moving the bottom of the image. Adjust image 8 to the frame. Pressing Enter confirms the final position. Right-click to open the Style option and select Snip Diagonal Corner, White. The final look of slide 10 is visible on the monitor. We proceed to slide 11. The excess text is deleted by selecting the text box and using the Delete option. This completes the task. Using the Slideshow option, we can view the final appearance.